Welcome to Tool School. Today we want to talk about Clover's pressing station. What is so important about pressing? We find that when we press at every stage in any sewing project, all of the lines, seams, and hems always fit better. Basically, the end result, our completed project, will be much more acceptable to us. Today we want to talk about a few of the Clover tools that make that pressing process more efficient. First, we'll talk about the Precision Hold It Stiletto. One end has a gentle curve with a pointed tip. The curve makes it easier to see and position the tip. The other end is straight with a silicone-coated tip to enhance its frictional holding function. Both tips are heat resistant, so we can iron right up to them. Either end can be used for holding fabric in place for precision pressing. Think tiny doll clothes, applique, mitered corners, or any other close or small work. They can all be held safely in place while pressing. The stiletto is also very handy when feeding fabric at the needle on our sewing machine. The hot hammer and hot ruler are truly revolutionary pressing tools. They're made of a unique nylon fiber board that does not retain heat and does not slide on our fabric. This allows us to fold our fabric around them at measured sections, iron our fabric in place, and then immediately move the hot hammer or hot ruler to the next pressing station without fear of being burned. With either of these tools, we can measure, fold, and iron in one motion. In addition to straight lines, pressing mitered corners and rounded corners pose no problems. One is the fabric folding pin. Think of it as a felt tip pen filled with an advanced solution of fabric softener. We just trace the felt tip across our fabric following a preset design or straight edge ruler. Then we simply fold and finger press our fabric along that line, resulting in a sharp, lasting edge. Applications would include English paper piecing, applique, or any crease or hem we need. It's a great alternative to an iron for traveling or classes where irons are always in short supply. The Roland Press is another go-to pressing tool when an iron is either not desired or perhaps not available. The comfortable ergonomic handle makes manipulation easy. The roller is curved and is designed to press in the center of our seam without leaving creases on the sides. It's a very handy tool that you can even keep at your sewing station to press seams open as you sew. That's the Clover Pressing Station. I'm Steve Butler, and that's been Tool School.